Okay, it's me again, technologyfreak. And in one of my earlier videos, I talked about a robot vacuum cleaner. Well, this time, I'm talking about a robot vacuum cleaner that has a hidden security camera on it too. Um, and something I forgot to mention was that those robot vacuum cleaners, um, I guess they're about the size or a little bit bigger than a portable CD player. Even the regular one that's without the camera. I'm not sure if it's remote controlled or not. Um, let's see. I'm sure it runs on some kind of battery, so it doesn't say. Um, anyways, it's just a robot vacuum cleaner, and that in itself is pretty cool. And then it has a security camera too. It's also that makes it a pretty cool device. Kind of clean and spy at the same time. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.